Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Creamy chicken soup is a global comfort food loved for its rich texture, hearty vegetables, and warm home-cooked flavors that instantly lift your mood. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for creamy chicken soup. This recipe brings together tender chicken, fresh veggies, homemade chicken stock, milk, herbs, and a smooth creamy base to create a bowl of soup that's wholesome, satisfying, and perfect for any day of the year, especially during winter. In this video, you'll learn how to make an authentic homemade creamy chicken soup that's comforting, beginner-friendly, and full of flavor. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious, creamy chicken soup. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. We have taken around 300 grams of boneless chicken leg pieces and placed them in a bowl. Take 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle half the quantity of salt on one side of the chicken. We have taken half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Sprinkle half the quantity of pepper on one side of the chicken. Apply it nicely. Now turn the chicken pieces around. Add the remaining salt. Also add the remaining black pepper powder. Cover and keep aside for at least 30 minutes. Marinated chicken is ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut them fine. 2 medium-sized potatoes. Cut them into medium-sized cubes. Transfer them to a bowl containing water to prevent discoloration. 2 medium-sized carrots. Cut them into medium-sized cubes. 200 grams broccoli. Cut them into medium-sized florets. 100 grams mushroom. Slice them long. 2 celery stalks. Discard the leaves and cut the celery sticks into medium-sized cubes. We need around 4 tablespoons of cut celery. You can cut them into smaller cubes if you like. 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. Small bunch of parsley. Cut it fine. Take 1 liter of pre-boiled full cream milk. You will also need 1 liter of homemade chicken stock. You will also need 100 ml of fresh cream. 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If olive oil is not available, you can use regular oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the chicken. On medium heat in an open, thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken. After around 5 minutes, turn the chicken pieces and let them cook for another 5 more minutes. After cooking the chicken for a total of 10 minutes, remove the chicken and keep it aside. Do not worry about the chicken stuck to the pan, as it will add a lot of flavor while preparing the soup in the same pan. Cut the fried chicken into 1-inch size pieces. Our chicken is ready for the soup. Step 4. Preparing the creamy chicken soup. Place the same pan on medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add the finely cut onions. Onions will help loosen the chicken stuck to the pan and absorb all those amazing flavors. After a minute, add the finely cut garlic. Stir everything nicely. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. After a minute, add the sliced mushrooms. Add a little hot water to loosen the chicken stuck to the pan if any. The water will help to release the chicken flavor in the soup. Stir everything properly.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
After a minute, add the celery pieces. After a minute, add the carrot cubes and stir. After around 2 minutes, add the all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour makes the soup nice and thick. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After a minute, add 2 tablespoons of butter and stir. Also add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add the chicken stock. In our next video, we will share a recipe of how to make homemade chicken stock from scratch. If you don't want to make homemade chicken stock, you can use ready-made stock or you can dissolve chicken stock cubes in hot water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the potatoes after draining the water. Cover and cook for around 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, add the chicken pieces and stir. After around 2 minutes, add the black pepper powder. Cover and cook for around 10 to 12 minutes. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the milk and stir. Now add the mixed herbs. Add the broccoli. Add the finely cut parsley. Adjust the quantity of salt as per your taste and preference. We added 1 teaspoon of salt. Check for salt, pepper and mixed herbs and add whatever is required. After around 2 minutes of adding the broccoli, reduce the heat to low. Now add the fresh cream. This soup should be enjoyed hot with bread. Sprinkle a little pepper and add a few drops of lime juice. Delicious creamy chicken soup is ready. Do post a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.